This video is for the pro musician who has to rethink his workflow. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. So, you're a working vocalist and you're trying to level up on your mic and mic preamp setup. Or you're new to recording and you're trying to get what the big boys have in their facilities. Well, that combo is liable to cause sticker shock, and you are faced with a dilemma. Do you wait and save, letting work opportunities pass you by, or do you purchase the next best thing? If you've ever had any doubts, I'm going to give you 3 reasons you should consider the Warm Audio WA87 and WA73-EQ combo if you are starting a vocal production service from your home studio. An actual Neumann U87 and NEVE SPX combo can and will cause you sticker shock. And the next best combination is liable to do the same. If you're just starting out, purchasing either is cost prohibitive in most circumstances. On the other hand, the Warm Audio WA87 WA73-EQ combo is a cost-effective solution, coming in at approximately $1,400. That makes it the cheapest option on the market that replicates the industry standard. Although lower in price, this combo is far from low quality. Warm Audio is known for using the best components in all of its products, and here are 2 highlights. At the heart of the WA87 is the WA87B50V capsule, a dual-sided capsule that is modeled after the K87, featured in early Neumann microphones. And when it comes to the WA73-EQ, it has Carnhill transformers, which are standard on authentic NEVE 1073 preamps. In the comments below, tell me your favorite mic and mic preamp combo. And the final reason why this combo is best for the beginner is performance. This mic and mic preamp combo sonically replicates 2 classics quite well. While in use, your vocals will sit forward in the mix, requiring less EQ and less mix time. And if you need to dial out some problem frequencies or roll off the bottom end, the WA73-EQ gives you that option. Pro results without breaking the bank. As more musicians and vocalists are making adjustments to their recording workflow, the cost of entry is a reality that everyone faces. It used to be that low cost meant inferior quality. With this mic and mic preamp combo, you can rest assured that that is not the case. Thanks for watching.